Hi kabayan, good morning. Are you currently looking for a house to invest in? Yung perfect balance of space, affordability, and accessibility? Kung oo, let me take you on a tour of this stunning 3-story house and lot dito sa Tansa Garden Enclave. Kung saan tayo ngayon, ito ang Hibiscus Phase. May mga blocks na ready for turnover at meron ding ongoing yung construction. Sold out na siya kaya naman nagbukas tayo ng panibagong phase at tinatawag natin itong Azalea. Same house pero magkakaiba lang ng konti sa kulay. Kaya naman, let's go and let me take you on a tour sa ating turnover ng 3-story townhouse. Good morning again and welcome sa panibagong vlog natin. Itong sa likod natin, ang 3-story townhouse ng Tansa Garden Enclave. This house has a lot area of 54 square meter and floor area of 98 square meter. Pero let's start by exploring some of the unique features that make this home extra special. The parking space and your very own pocket garden. Right outside, you'll see the dedicated parking space, spacious enough to fit 1 to 2 vehicles comfortably. This ensures that your car is safe and secure right at the doorstep of your home. You will appreciate the ease of access. No need to worry about the parking outside or far from your property. Kaya perfect ito for families with cars or for those expecting guests. Ngayon, tingnan naman natin ng mas mabuti ang loob ng bahay simula sa living area, dining area, at kitchen area. Upon turnover, nakatiles ng buong bahay mula sa ground floor hanggang sa second floor. Pagpasok mo sa living area, makikita mo agad ang high ceiling, from the ground floor all the way to the second floor. This open and airy space creates a grand feeling and is perfect for adding stylish hanging lights or even chandeliers to enhance the room's elegance. Pagpasok mo sa living area, mapapansin mo agad ang spacious layout. Perfect ito para sa mga bonding moments with family or sa mga pag-entertain ng ating mga bisita. Sa kitchen naman, sigurado akong magugustuhan mo ito dahil maluwag at may sapat na space para gawin itong talagang yours. This kitchen gives you the freedom to create the perfect setup for your cooking needs. And speaking of convenience, right here on the ground floor makikita mo ang powder room. It's perfect for guests or quick freshen ups, eliminating the need to head upstairs. Now, let's head up to the second floor of this beautiful 3-story townhouse dito sa Tansa Garden Enclave. Sa second floor, makikita mo ang separate toilet and bath, which is very convenient, lalo na kapag sabay-sabay na gumagamit. Having a separate toilet and bath ensures that your family's morning routine is smoother and hassle-free. No more waiting in line, and everyone can get ready without any problems. Now, one of the best features dito sa second floor is its potential to be a master bedroom with direct access to the balcony. O kaya naman, itong open layout na to gives you the freedom to customize the space to fit your needs and lifestyle. Whether you want a spacious sleeping area, a private corner for reading, or even a walk-in closet. Napaka-flexible lang talaga ng ating second floor. And finally, let's make our way up to the third floor, also known as the attic. Dito din, napaka-versatile din ng space. Open layout din ito para you have the freedom to create the perfect setup for your needs. Kung gusto mo itong gawing kids playroom, family lounge, or kahit stock room para sa extra storage, lahat ng ito ay possible. So, ayun ang ating tour ng ating 3-story townhouse dito sa Tansa Garden Enclave. Kaya naman, if you're looking for a house that gives you space, affordability, and accessibility, dito na tayo sa Tansa Garden Enclave. It's only 10 to 15 minutes away from SM City Tansa and 2 rides lang going to PITX. And guys, pwede din ito sa Pag-ibig Financing. Low down payment and for as low as 16,800 monthly, meron na tayong ganito kaganda na bahay. And for only 18,000 lang yung reservation fee natin, makukuha natin yung gusto natin na location kasi we have corner, we also have end unit. And so for more details like updated computations, tripping assistance, pwede nyo akong i-contact sa contact number na nandyan sa screen or i-message nyo ako sa Facebook na meron akong link sa description box. So yun lang, ready ka na bang i-turn over ang dream home mo into reality? Don't miss out on this opportunity. Schedule a visit today and see for yourself how this house can become your next home. Bye-bye!